Hello, today we will guide you through how to zoom in Webull Desktop. Start by opening the Webull Desktop application and bringing a chart onto your screen. Any symbol works here. The key is that you're looking at a live chart area, not a watch list or news panel. Once your chart is visible, move your mouse so the pointer sits directly over the chart itself. You'll usually see a crosshair or highlight that lets you know you're inside the chart area. Keeping your pointer on the chart is important because the zoom will only respond when you're hovering in this exact space. Now use your mouse wheel to control the zoom. Rolling the wheel forward or up zooms in and brings more detail into view. Candles or bars will appear larger, and you'll see fewer of them on screen, which is perfect for examining individual price moves. Rolling the wheel backward or down zooms out and gives you a wider look at the trend, showing more history at once. Each small notch on the wheel changes the view incrementally, so you can make precise adjustments without jumping too far. A helpful tip: the zoom focuses around the spot where your pointer is placed. If you want to dive into a specific section of the chart, position the pointer over that area first, then scroll. If the view isn't changing, double-check that your pointer hasn't drifted over to a sidebar or toolbar. Move it back into the chart and try again. As you zoom, watch the time labels along the bottom and the price scale on the right. Zooming in spreads time out so you can inspect each candle with more clarity. Zooming out compresses the view so you can quickly assess the broader trend. This doesn't change your selected time frame. If you're on a 1-minute chart, it remains a 1-minute chart. You're simply changing how much of that data is visible at once. Make small, gentle scrolls for fine control. If you go too far in either direction, just reverse the scroll to bring the view back. If the wheel feels overly sensitive or too slow, consider adjusting your mouse wheel settings in your operating system for a more comfortable experience. That's all there is to it. Open Webull Desktop, hover your mouse on the chart, and use the wheel to scroll up to zoom in or down to zoom out. With a little practice, you'll quickly dial in the perfect view for both quick checks and deep analysis.